I'm Blitty. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing this look with the brand new Dievurne Cosmetics Smitten palette. It is so cute. So if you'd like to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. So this is like a precursor to my week. I did not know that my camera was not recording. I'm taking the LO5 brush in the shade Perhaps, and I'm taking that and I am winging it out, applying it all through the crease on the outer V, winging it out, just kind of building up the shape. And I have my lid prime with the Dievurne Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair, and I have on a little cat sticker. I did this look a few days before I lost my kitty, so that's why I said it was like a precursor to my week when I had forgot to hit that record button like I did. But right now I'm just focusing on getting that shape built up, and this look is with the new Dievurne Cosmetics Smitten palette, my bad. And this is the LO4 brush in the shade Toe Beans. My mind had totally blanked. I know this is kind of late. I'm sure this will be up on Friday, which is almost a week late. But anyway, I'm just blending out that first shade with this shade, and I'm doing back and forth windshield wipe motions with the lightest amount of pressure. And when I get to the stencil, I'm just kind of patting it, and I'm not really moving the brush around too much so it doesn't unstick. Now to get that all nice and softened up, I'm taking the LO3 brush in Formidable. This palette is so cute. I was so excited about this collection. I really love the colors. I think it is perfect for Valentine's Day. And I am an obsessed cat mama. Like, I love every one of my cats so much. And I love just like all cats. So for this to be like a kitten collection, I was so freaking excited. I do have a code. It's slightly unblended and it'll save you some money, and it's not affiliated. It just gets you a discount. This is the LO3 brush with some more of Toe Beans just to bring it back, because as I always say, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. So I just wanted to make sure that that was nice and pigmented, and I really wanted something kind of bold and pretty for Valentine's Day and cute with the kitty. Yeah, so there you go. Sorry. Now I'm taking the same brush and Perhaps to bring it back, because again, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. So I'm just trying to get that depth shade brought back into the crease, and I really wanted the purple to be visible because purple is one of my favorite colors. Yeah, so I feel like I'm being so awkward with this voiceover. I am frustrated with myself for it being late, but I just couldn't focus on getting the video ready on time, so I do apologize for that. Now to get everything really softened up, I'm taking the Sigma E25 brush and just some of my face powder. That way there's no harshness. I just wanted it to be kind of like melted into the skin, pretty seamless, almost airbrushed. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Toe Beans with the LO3 brush, because I really wanted that pink to be super vibrant as well. And again, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. So I'm just doing back and forth windshield wipe motions with the lightest amount of pressure, and trying to just tap over the stencil. That way it doesn't lift, and it'll be nice and clean when I peel it off. Now I'm taking the LO4 brush and a little bit more of Perhaps just to bring it back, making sure that there's some depth whenever I clean it out, and like I'm about to now with the micellar water and a Q-tip, and then carve it out with the Dievurne Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair. So I'm just taking this micellar water and a Q-tip to clean out the crease, clean off my lid. That way when I carve it out, none of the shades muddy up. Just kidding, I'm using the Stick and Sparkle Pigment Primer from Dievurne Cosmetics instead of my base to carve out the crease. I'm just popping that on where I cleaned the lid. I wanted to try it like this because this was my first time trying this glitter primer, and let me tell you, it's so good. Like, I'm so impressed with this. Definitely, definitely going to be living on my desk. I've already used it quite a few times since I filmed this. It's so good. Now I'm taking the shade Stray Cat from this collection, and look at how beautiful it is. It's so intense. It's like so shifty. It's so, so beautiful. I'm using the Doe Color number 14 brush to apply it to the outer part of my lid and kind of sort of onto the purple base, and it's so good. The formula of the sparkles that I've tried from Dievurne are so, so good, but there's just something about Stray Cat that has a hold on me. Like, I just love how shifty it is. It's such like an intense sparkle. I love the shifts. It is so, so, so pretty. Now I'm taking a little bit of Floofy from the palette with the same brush, and this shade is so cute. Literally all the sparkles in the palette are so, so, so good. They're so, like, there's some that are super sparkly, some that are shifty, and the ones that are super sparkly really just looks like crushed diamonds on your eyes. Like, they're just intensely beautiful. Now I'm taking the shade Hysterical, and I'm going to pop that on, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Love Bite to pop on top of Floofy. Now I'm taking the Makeup Shack T101 brush and a little bit of Love Bite, and I'm popping it kind of on top of Floofy and like kind of blending it with Stray Cat. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Perhaps with the L01 brush and patting it alongside of Stray Cat, which is what I popped on right before this, just so it's blended together. And now I'm popping on a little bit of Persuasive before I add some of the wet liners, which are Tuxedo and Calico. That's the split liners. I'm going to start out by taking the Tuxedo liner, which was the split black and white one, and I'm taking the white, and I'm just going to fill in the cat with that. I'm going to try my best because sometimes it's hard to see even though the mirror is up so close to me. I just try my best to keep it in the area that I can see my skin. So just taking some liner and getting her filled in. Now I'm taking the Calico wet liner and I'm trying my very best to doodle some paw prints. I just kind of did like an upside down heart and then I added a couple dots to try to get it to look like a paw. Now I'm going to doodle a heart so that I can do like a heart planet, kind of like Saturn, but heart shaped, because I thought that would be really cute. And I love doing little heart Saturns around Valentine's Day to kind of keep up with my love for learning about space and whatnot. So just doodling my heart now, and I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to take some of the light purple liner to do the ring around it after I doodle some gleams. Now I'm going to add some of these cuties. There's more. I think that these are precious and I love them because I love to be extra and add gems and when I feel like it, pearls. So was really excited about these. Now I'm just going to add quite a few sparkles to be super extra. Alright, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Also, I'm sorry about the first little bit of it. I thought it was recording. I didn't realize that it wasn't until it clicked off because it had sat for too long. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? Again, I apologize for how the video started and for it being a voiceover. The USPS and I are currently not friends. The sorting facility, like, my local one is amazing, like, but the one before it gets here has me all over the place. But yeah, so I hope that you like this look. What do you think? Do you like it? I am in love with this collection. I do want to try to put some swatches in, and I just love, love, love the color story to this palette. Like, it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Like, the shades are just so stinking pretty. And the singles, I got 2 of them. I have Smitten, which I want to wear soon. It's so pretty. And then the one that I used, Stray Cat. When I tell you, new obsession. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. Huge thank you to Dievurne Cosmetics for sending this collection to me. I love it so much. It's so cute. Everything blends so nice. Like, I was so excited. This came in today. I had to take Artemis and Toot to the vet. So, 2 kitties to the vet. I kind of started the look before I left. And I came home and was like, okay, time to play. And I'm really, really excited about how it turned out. But, like, a huge thank you for sending this my way. And congratulations on the collection. I love it so much. Okay, without rambling forever, like I sometimes tend to do. Oh, I also want to say the Stick and Sparkle Pigment Primer. So good. So, originally what I did on this eye was I did like I normally do. But with this one, I was like, let me just do the micellar water on a Q-tip and just use this. I think I like micellar on a water on a Q-tip, clean it up, and then carve with this if I'm going to put sparkles. Like, I think I'm going to start doing that. Because, like, this one looks good, but I feel like this one, like, it just is the base for it. Instead of me putting, like, a more skin colored base down and then powder in it, just using this, so good. Like, 10 out of 10 recommend. And the packaging is so cute. Okay, without rambling too much, I'm going to go ahead and go get my pictures and get this all exported so maybe I can actually be on time this week and have a normal schedule. Please let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below. If you'd like to keep on my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, then I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, then please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me and I can't thank you enough. And if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? It helps to push my video out in the algorithm. So if you give it a thumbs up, then thank you. And if you'd like to be notified of whenever I upload, sometimes I guess it's random anymore. Sometimes it's like a short every day of the week and full, like, long form videos. If you'd like to be notified of any time I upload, then please hit the notification button. That way, anytime I upload, it'll let you know. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!